Picture this. Right now, at this very moment, 12 billion light years away in the depths of space, there's a monster lurking in the cosmic shadows. It shouldn't even exist so impossibly powerful, but it's there. And what it's doing right now is about to blow your mind. And this thing, listen, man, it straight up shouldn't exist. According to our best models, our most advanced physics, our century of settled science, it's like watching someone casually walk through a brick wall like it's not even there. Here's what makes this absolutely insane. It's currently eating matter at 40 times faster than the speed limit of physics allows. That's not bending the rules, that's obliterating them. Stick with me here, because what scientists discovered when they looked at this cosmic monster, it didn't just challenge our understanding of black holes. It didn't just surprise us. It completely shattered our entire map of how the universe was born. And I'm about to show you exactly how. All right, listen up. For generations, we thought we had the universe figured out, right? We looked at our sun, we looked at our ball, we understood the rules. We had it all mapped out. The cosmos made sense. Everything followed the script we'd written. We had the formulas. We had the models. We had a whole century of settled science backing us up. Textbooks written, equations proven, Nobel Prizes awarded. Scientists were so confident they could predict how. Then humanity built the James Webb Space Telescope. $10 billion. 30 years of work. The most powerful eye we've ever pointed at the cosmos. See, scientists expected to find a quiet, empty void. The early universe was peaceful, simple, everything small, everything slow, everything following the rules we'd written in those textbooks. But instead, they found a nightmare. Not a nursery. Galaxies, black holes, blazing at full power. It was like it literally couldn't believe their eyes. You know what this is like? Imagine going to meet your friend's newborn baby. You're expecting a normal baby, maybe 8 pounds, tiny. That's exactly how astronomers felt. The math just didn't math. And at the centers of these impossible galaxies, massive black holes. We're talking millions, sometimes billions of times heavier than our sun, at a time when they should have barely existed. Let me paint you a picture of what happened. When James Webb peered back through time, it was like watching a time lapse of the universe's baby photos, traveling back layer by layer to the moment just after the Big Bang. According to every model we had, looking back that far should have been like visiting a graveyard. Cold, empty, silent, just hydrogen and helium gas drifting in the darkness. Instead, they found absolute chaos. A bustling metropolis, lights blazing everywhere like a cosmic Las Vegas, activity off the charts. It wasn't a graveyard theory. This was anything but boring. These galaxies were growing way too fast, man, like impossibly fast. Our model said it should take billions of years for galaxies to reach this size. Slow accumulative. These things don't for be sure to full oak in under a minute. And here's where it gets personal for scientists. This wasn't just a small error in our calculations. Our entire map of the cosmos might all be a lie. The foundation was cracking. But here's the real kicker that sent everyone into panic mode. These black holes weren't just big. They were breaking the cosmic speed limit. And these monsters, they were completely ignoring it. Let me break down just how wrong we were. On one side of the scale, we had our predictions. Small, manageable, following the rules. And scientists were left standing there wondering more than just tipping. It was breaking. But what scientists discovered lurking in those infrared shadows, hidden in the data that James Webb was sending back, that's where things get truly impossible. Because it wasn't just one rogue black hole breaking the rule. Let me take you back over 100 years, to 1920. World War I had just ended. Einstein's theories were still fresh and controversial, and Eddington found a rule. Aside the state of a star and will fomenter, and for 100 years, in the scientist treated from set their mouth. Think of it like this, bro. Imagine a black hole needs to eat to grow, right? It's sitting at a cosmic dinner table, trying to consume gas and dust from space. Physical pressure that pushes the rest of the food away. The matter falling into a black hole gets compressed, heated up. We're talking millions brighter than it at the galaxies. And all that light, all that related cold pretty away from the table. This is the Eddington Limit in action. The light gets so intense, so powerful that it creates this invisible barrier, a force field of pure radiation pressure. For a century, this was nature's built-in speed governor. A cosmic regulator that prevented black holes from growing too fast, from becoming too powerful too quickly. It kept the universe orderly, predictable. Nothing could break it. Not the biggest stars, not the most massive black holes, not supernova explosions. The Eddington Limit was Alsace on it. But then everything started to change. Cracks began appearing in that fortress wall. Small at first, easy to ignore, but the cracks kept seeping through. And what emerged from those cracks was about to shake physics to its very core. Picture this. You're searching for a single firefly in a football stadium. At midnight, from a mile away, through fog. That's how hard this discovery was. They gave it a name, Lid 568. I know, not exactly catchy, right? Like supernova, it sounds like a part code for a washing machine. But don't let the important black hole in astronomical history. It took the combined power of not one, but two of humanity's most advanced space observatories working together just to see this thing. Billions of dollars of time pointed at the same tiny dot, struggling to catch enough light to confirm what they were seeing. And when they finally got a clear signal, when they listened to this black hole's cosmic heartbeat, holy hell, it wasn't beating, it was screaming. The reeking up a heart monitor DCPs were off the chart. Because Lid 568 wasn't just feeding normally. It wasn't politely nibbling on cosmic gas like a well-behaved black hole should. No. This thing was on an absolute rampage, a feeding frenzy. And here's the number that made every physicist's jaw hit the floor. LID 568 is consuming matter 40 times faster than that ability to smash through every law of physics we thought we understood. It's like Lid 568 found a cheat code, a glitch in the matrix, some secret backdoor in the laws of physics that lets it bypass. But you will bypass the system and trials. But here's what really messes with our heads, man. Here's the existential crisis that keeps astronomers up at night. If Lid 568 can one-blood our own cosmic origin story, everything we thought we knew? Question mark. The dilemma here is absolutely haunting. Imagine building a jigsaw puzzle of the universe. You're so close to finishing, and then you realize half your pieces don't fit. They're from a completely different puzzle. That's where we are right now. Scientists watch their models spit out system error, cosmic glitch detected. It's like the universe is saying, every path opens to more questions. Our compass spins wildly. We're disoriented in a reality we can't comprehend. We're completely lost in a universe that rewrote its instruction manual. Every path opens to more questions. Our cosmic compass spins wildly. We're not just confused, we're fundamentally disoriented in a reality we can't comprehend. Lid 568 is the smoking gun, man. It's not just an anomaly. It's not just a weird outlier we can safely ignore. This is proof. Cold, hard, unzahadden right away. And we're watching it happen. Think about what this means for a second. We're witnessing reality being rewritten 12 billion years in the past. It left Lid 568 when the universe for this 12 years. This is the cheat code the universe used to create everything we see today. LID 568 shows that supermassive black holes didn't slowly accumulate mass over billions of years like we thought. They found this loophole, this existence. You know what the most beautiful part of all this is? The universe is a law-breaking masterpiece. It doesn't follow our scripts. It doesn't care about our textbooks. Is exactly why we keep bling up. If this cosmic mystery just absolutely blew your mind, if you're sitting there thinking, wait, Sunko, what? Strategy might be even crazier than this. Seriously, the next one might be even crazier the week. Let's figure this out together.